It's the difference between knowing and being known. Between going and going further. It's starting strong and finishing stronger. Our paths are different, but our destination is the same. Equipped for what lies ahead. Hard is not what holds us back. Hard is how we work. This building builds teams, builds endurance, builds bridges, and builds faith. A faith that compels us to walk in wisdom, walk together, to walk in love. The path that we're on is straight and narrow, and our journey is an upward call. And we look to the future believing the one who shapes it. In here, competition does not mean compromise. Leading does not mean leaving others behind. And getting low does not mean backing down. In here, we take it in so we can live it out. The kingdom calls us, and we're ready.